Good day once again. On this video, we are going to look at how you can be able to convert a Git repo and maybe a website, a Flash app written on Git repo to an Android app. So, and the last time we did a PDF converter where we cloned a website and then we converted the website that we cloned into a Flash app, and then we saw that ChatGPT was able to do that. ChatGPT4o was able to do that. So now we have already uploaded our code on GitHub. So we want it to, let's see if ChatGPT4o can actually read the code that you have uploaded in GitHub and then be able to convert it to an Android app and then see where we go from there. Okay, see, this is the app that after we have actually finished our website cloning, we now uploaded our code to GitHub, and this is the link. So I'm going to copy this link. I've already tried that. I'm going to copy this link and then give it to ChatGPT4o and then tell it to look at this link, convert whatever you can get from this link to an Android app. So now we now started. I say I have a Git repo of a Flash app. I want you to convert this Flash app to an Android app using Python Kiwi. And then here is the link. Okay. Sorry, excuse me. So I did this. This is the prompt I gave it. So it now started. So now this is the first example that he gave us. I copied this first example so that you now see the error that I got. And when I copied it, I did this. I saved. So let's run this. We run it. So there was no much things going on. So as in we are running into an error. So we now specify that, hey, we are running into an error. Could you actually help us fix this? So, and I think I specified there, finish the code, and I told it to, could you just finish the code? And it did. And then this is another aspect that it gave us. Let's copy this and just work with me. So now we run this again. And what he was actually doing was he was now going to pull mimicking a repo of a Windows system. There was actually like it was actually mimicking the repo of my system. There was nothing like an upload or so. So I didn't like the way it turned out. So I now went back to it again and tell it that, okay, I want to be selecting the file from the directory, not the other way around. So I told you that I want to be selecting the file from the directory. Okay, so let's copy this the second example that he gave us. So we now did this, we ran it again. It kind of instead of it actually doing what I said that I want to be selecting, it now went ahead and now just did something like kind of a foldering system instead of a list system of way. So this is like something else. So I was like, this is not really what I was looking for. I killed it and I went back to it again. I told you that I don't want to be shown the directory. That allow me to open and select the file I want, and then click on convert file to Word. Okay, now this is now what I told you, that I don't just want it to be showing me the directories. I don't want it to be showing me where the files are. I just want you to just let me click on select and then convert myself. So now it now gave me this again. So let's go back. So let's save this and let's see the example that we have here. So we now have select. Okay, it now did a select, but it's still showing me the directory. Like it's still showing me my like the directory that is showing me is not like the directory I want to see. Even when I click my program files and everything, I wasn't really getting what I want. Like I wasn't really getting the solution I needed. So I now went back to it again and I said, what's my next prompt? I want to click on upload, and I want something like an open dialog box of my file directory. Don't include this on the app. So I don't want you to include it on the app, like making it to be on the app. So now it now did this. This is where we are currently. So now it now did this, and then when I ran this, Okay, now when I now click, you're now going to open the dialog box that I needed. This is the dialog box that I needed, and I think it was using TK Enter to actually open this dialog box. So now, let's go over to that resignation that I have. I will now say convert. I think it's converting. Okay, you have converted. It says convert this to PDF to this, and then you have actually converted it. So let's now go to our file directory. As you can see, this 249. As you can see the time, this is the file. You can understand, like, and this is a very like, I think ChatGPT4 is turning something like an agent. Like, you can see like what you can actually tweak it. Like, if you do take your time to actually develop a good prompt and tell it what you want it to do, it's actually going to give you a good result. Like, you could see that from this repo, we were able to convert our Flash app to an Android app, a simple Android app, and then you can see where we can actually go from here. And you always know, I always tell you that we are working with ChatGPT4o, and you can understand how far we have actually gone with this. So this is a simple example of converting your simple um repo, Git repo, to an Android app. Converting a simple Git repo link to an Android app. So this is all I have for you guys. You can see where we were from, and then the errors we are getting, and how we were able to dialogue it. As I said earlier, I think he was getting the dialogue bubble TK enter, and then I think I was correct with that assumption. And then I think this is the file dialogue that he was actually opening. So this is a very big win. You can go ahead and tweak the what's it called, the interface. As you can see, we have a very ugly interface. It's just a simple Android app, and then everything here is just like you can just tweak it and everything and make it to work. Maybe put a download button. When they click the download will now go and everything. So this is all I have for you guys. This is a very big this, and I'm still trying to see so many things I could do with this ChatGPT for all, and then so many things I could solve with it. I think being able to open a link is very top notch for me. Thank you for sticking with me. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Click the like, subscribe, and share. And thank you once again, and God bless you.